Do you have chronic pain or sore muscles? Do you want to save time and money by visiting chiropractors, massage therapists, or purchasing medication? The HealthmateForever TENS therapy system has been approved as an efficient and easy way to deal with pain with none of the side effects that come from prescription drugs. HealthmateForever TENS therapy devices are FDA cleared, Class 2 OTC, which means you can use without a doctor's prescription. Pain Relief TENS units help many people live pain-free daily. It penetrates and stimulates muscles deeper than any human hand can. The power of TENS may help strengthen and recover muscles, relieve pain, and open up blood flow in the problem areas. Except for pain relief, each are efficient in aiding in soreness, overall wellness, fitness recovery, injury rehabilitation, and stiffness. Connect the self-adhesive pads to the TENS unit and place pads around the problem area. It can be used for shoulders, arms, abdominals, ankles, legs, and lower back. The YK15AB has 9 pre-programmed targeted body pain relief modes and 6 massage-like methods, each with 20 levels of intensity. You can customize the intensity of different body parts by pressing the plus and minus button on the side of the device. With 4 outputs and 2 independent channels, you can relieve multiple painful areas simultaneously. Easy to read animated backlight LCD display allows you to see all options and settings clearly and efficiently, and has a travel-friendly belt clip design. In just minutes a day, it relieves away tension, stiffness, stress, and pain without an expensive visit to the chiropractor or massage therapist or doctor.
The Compex Sport Elite Muscle Stimulator is designed to boost performance, build muscle, and speed up recovery. No matter your fitness goal, the Compex Sport Elite Muscle Stimulator is here to help. Equipped with a controller, 4 muscle stimulator lead cables, 8 small Easy Snap Gel electrodes, 8 large Easy Snap Gel electrodes, a battery charger, travel pouch, user guide, and 10 programs to choose from. The color-coordinated lead cables make setting up easy. Simply insert the leads into the device and snap the end of the lead cable to the electrode. Place the pads on the muscle you want to target, with the black snaps on the top of the muscle and the red on the bottom. Turn on the device and select your program. Slowly increase your intensity based on your comfort level. Visit CompexUSA.com/electrode placements for exact pad placement. The Compex Sport Elite 2.0 Muscle Stimulator offers 10 programs, including 2 for warming up, 4 strength options, 3 recovery programs, and 1 TENS program. Use your device in conjunction with your workout to help increase strength, endurance, and power, or just use the TENS program for pain management. The recovery settings can help flush lactic acid and promote muscle relaxation. The warm-up programs are designed to get your body ready for work. The pre-warm-up program is a 25-minute program that increases local blood flow to the muscles, warming the muscle tissue and increasing reaction of the muscles prior to a workout or competition. The potentiation program takes 3 minutes to fire up the muscles, ideal for someone short on time who needs to target a specific muscle group fast, for example, right before a competition. Take your performance to the next level with one of these 4 strength programs. The Endurance program is a 55-minute program that is designed to activate the aerobic metabolism of the muscle fibers. The program may be used in most physical preparations to establish or improve basic muscle endurance. The Resistance program is designed to activate the anaerobic metabolism of the muscle, helping to increase the time the muscle can maintain a higher work level. Contraction times remain the same throughout the program, but the rest time gradually decreases depending on what resistance level you're on. The Strength program is a 32 to 43-minute program that is designed to help increase strength by imposing a high and instantaneous contraction on the muscles. At each level, the frequency and rest time increase, which is designed to help train the muscles at a higher load. The Explosive Strength program is a 31 to 34-minute program that trains muscles for quick, powerful movement, such as sprints or box jumps. In a short duration, as the load increases, so does the rest period, giving your muscles the opportunity to recover. Recovery is essential to any training plan. Compex 2.0 offers 3 recovery programs. Training Recovery Program is a 24-minute program that gradually decreases in frequency, ideal to use immediately after exercise to flush out lactic acid and accelerate the exchanges between muscle fibers and blood. Competition Recovery Program is a 25-minute program that is a blend between training recovery and muscle relaxation. This program is designed to increase local blood flow, generate endorphins, and promote muscle relaxation when muscles are fatigued after a vigorous workout or competition. Muscle Relaxation Program is a 20-minute constant low-frequency program that is dedicated to relax the muscles. The Pain Relief TENS program is used to temporarily alleviate localized pain. It can be used for symptomatic relief and management of chronic pain and relief of pain associated with arthritis. Control the intensity to your comfort level with the up and down buttons. When done, unsnap and remove all electrodes and place the device in the storage bag and the electrodes on the backing sheet. Since the Compex Sport Elite 2.0 muscle stimulator contains rechargeable batteries, store the unit in a cool to room temperature location. Before you begin charging, make sure you remove all lead cables from the device, otherwise the charging pin will not go in. Small enough to take with you wherever you go, large enough to deliver the power you need.
When the pain gets really severe, it does limit the way I walk, talk, move around.
I was diagnosed with fibromyalgia in 2004. It was very intense pain at the beginning, and it was terrifying.
There was 1 year, and my son came home and he said to me, "Dad, do you realize you didn't make it to a single one of my baseball games?" And that one hurt. And so the back injuries just, they took away that part of life for me.
Omron TENS therapy provides 100% safe, drug-free pain relief. It's a targeted, powerful method of pain management that has been used for over 40 years by medical professionals like physical therapists and chiropractors. TENS therapy devices are available over the counter. There's no need for a prescription. TENS stands for Transcutaneous Electrical Nerve Stimulation. Scientific theory suggests that TENS therapy may work in several ways. Gentle electrical pulses move through the skin to nearby nerves to block the pain message from reaching the brain. Plus, TENS increases the production of endorphins, the body's natural painkiller, and improves blood circulation. Omron TENS devices are easy to use, work on multiple body parts, and can address acute muscle and joint pain. Simply put the pads on where you feel pain, select your desired mode of treatment, and choose your intensity level. The settings are easily customized to address your level of pain.
This device has settings for the different areas of your body.
It's allowed me to not have to use the prescription drugs. I can get out there now, I can sit on the bleachers, I can watch the games, I can play the games, and it's meant everything to me.
This is very simple, very easy to use, and very effective.
Take control of your muscle and joint pain today with an Omron TENS therapy device.
Living an active lifestyle can come with a price. Injury inevitable. Muscle recovery critical. Advances in over-the-counter TENS and EMS technology can deliver fast, effective pain relief and improve muscle performance. Introducing iReliev, combining TENS for pain relief and EMS for muscle strength and recovery. All in one portable device, the footprint of a credit card. Prescribed by doctors and used by physical therapists, TENS delivers relaxing, massage-like pulses that help block pain. EMS helps strengthen and recover your muscles through contraction and relaxation. iReliev's easy-to-use interface includes 7 preset TENS modes, 1 arthritis mode, and 6 EMS muscle performance modes. iReliev is perfect for use on the go. Use whenever, wherever. Get back in the game of life, or to the sport you love. iReliev, powerful, portable pain relief, muscle strength and performance.